Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to make sure I get everything in. So, to me, this is like maybe every other day thing. I use it when I think of it. But there's stuff, you can buy it on the store and everything. It's called dry shampoo. So think of those days that you just don't, when you get up and you just like, oh, you don't feel like doing your hair, or you skip those shower days or whatever. And of course, the power goes out in those emergency situations. But I made some dry shampoo. So I do it like today. Today's was one of those days. It's every other day. I have stuff that I use to in between shower days. This is one of the things that I use. And yes, I'm out of breath because I had to go get my brush. So it's like, okay. So I have the recipe. And it's really not, it's just a general recipe. 8 tablespoons of cornstarch, 8 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. So, but you can double it how much you want to make and everything. So that was one batch. I made like 4 batches, but I just kept measuring that way and adding as much as I wanted to the jar. So what you do, you take a jar. I only put like a little bit in my hand. Whoop, not that much. I put about that much in my hand, and I kind of like usually I do it in the bathroom. I ain't gonna do it in the bathroom, but I spread it between both hands, and you just rub it in your hair. And if you need more, you rub more. It helps with like if your hair's oily or it just looks flat or whatever. And I may do another little, whoops, that comes out fast. And then you just brush your hair. And there you go. And it's like, wow, it looks so different. It's like, it's so cool because it helps with all that frizziness and everything. And now, you can go about your day and do the things you need to do. And it's like, I like this. This helps out a whole lot. So y'all found out one of my tricks. Little tricks that I do some days. I just, some days are busy, or, some of those have one of those days you just don't feel like you can just get into the shower, or just have it for emergencies to sit there in case you lose the power or something other. It's not like the shampoo, but it does help for those in between times. So there you go. That is my DIY dry shampoo. And I probably have used that much of it so far. So it does get used. There we go. And let's see here. I'll be doing some more DIY stuff. Other things that I've used for my hair and everything. So that's what I have for you today. Click on the links here and here. Those buttons and the bells. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.